Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Zoom live streaming on YouTube. So that will allow you to share your project, for example, in a large area and in a good way, even your studies or your idea. So here is how you can do it. So first you just need to go into your browser and type zoom.us. You get into the website, then you should sign in or sign up, whether you have an account or not. It depends on you. So for me, I just will go into my account, and then what we gotta do, we are going to go into settings, and after that we will click on meeting. Right, so here is the important thing. You need to go into and meeting advanced, and then I don't have the option because I don't I'm just using the normal version of Zoom. If you are using the pro version of Zoom, you will be allowed to stream the Zoom meetings on YouTube. So for the ones who have the upgraded version of Zoom, well, got that option to be allowed. So once you got to end meeting advanced, a screen I mean I have a screenshot. So you will have that choice, allow live streaming meetings. So you need to enable it, and then you need to choose YouTube like that to verify it, and boom. Now every stream meeting, I mean every Zoom meeting you will have, it will be streamed on YouTube if you'd like to. So guys, that's the video, and thank you so much for watching. See you next video.